kitchen. And today in my kitchen, you would be seeing two different types of sugar cane. The green sugar cane and the red sugar cane. Alright? If you realize they have a lot of similarities, they have some joints. Okay? They have some joints, and you see they are cut slanted. Back in the days when you want to just grow a little sugar cane in your backyard, you cut it slanted. And you see how these little fibrous part is here? You don't plant it this way. You have to plant it this way. Just dig a little piece of soil and stick it in. You understand? And in no time, because of the warm climate, because they love warm climate, it will grow. You will have nice sugar cane. So today I'm going to be making some sugar cane juice in my kitchen. So as I've said, this is the red sugar cane and this is the green sugar cane. So they were already washed. I picked this up in the Caribbean store. Alright, so what I do, I'm going to cut this, okay? See how sharp my knife is, look. Ooh! Sugar cane. Right, be careful with the knife. And what you do now, you take another knife and you just cut it down like this. This is how you take off that rough skin. Yeah, this one is the green sugar cane. You know, long time, like in Cuba and then Caroni, in fact, Caroni in Trinidad. I remember passing and you would see a whole bunch of fire on the highway. You want to know where the hell that fire coming from? It's because they're burning the sugar cane. That is how they get into the field. You understand? And then they would have those big oxen transporting it to wherever they're going to make their sugar, the juice or the molasses or whatever it is they want to make. You understand? But you know, this sugar cane have a lot of properties. Now you see how I take my time and cutting this? You have to be careful because this knife is a very sharp knife that I'm using. Right? It have a lot of health benefits deriving from the sugar cane. You understand? First to begin, it's an energy booster. Like if you're feeling down and out, you have no energy, man, go to sit down on the back step and suck a piece of sugar cane. Oh God, you will feel real good. Right? And for diabetics, you know, it's a natural form of sugar. So this is good for people who have diabetes. You understand? Besides its delicious taste, it have a really delicious taste, eh? People who are experiencing like elevated temperature. Let's say you get sick and you have a temperature. Man, cut a piece of this sugar cane and enjoy it to the fullest. Now, you see how I'm cutting it up? Sugar cane juice from home. You see this joint here? Because I'm putting it in my NutriBullet, okay? So I want to take out this hard part. This is a real hard section here. So you cut off that piece there. You cut off that piece there. You don't want to use this. In fact, I don't use it, in fact. And it makes it easier to cut. Long time they had these kind of machines they used to make the juice. I remember my father used to make cane juice. Mr. Hilton Cato, may his soul rest in peace. You understand? The red one looking like it's more juicier than the green one. So we're gonna cut this up and we're gonna put this in the bullet. And we're gonna make a nice, I'm going to make in fact a nice glass of cane juice, which is very nutritious and healthy way of drinking. Now you have the sugar cane cut up in small pieces, it chunk up. So what you're gonna do, I'm gonna put it in here in this NutriBullet. You can put it in any blending device if you want. If you have a strong blending device, don't put it in anything that will fall apart and break up and bust up in your face and all that stuff, you know. You don't want that, okay? So this is a bullet. You know, when you hear the word bullet, it means it's a fast-paced something, you understand? So now I'm going to add to this some water. 1 cup of water. Right? And voila. All right. So this is the thickness, the consistency of this sugar cane after it is blended. And oh my goodness, it's sweet. But I want to put a little more water in it. I'll put like half cup water again. I'm putting it back to blend. If you want, you could put a little honey. I think I'm going to put a little honey in it. All natural stuff. You can get some honey and put in it. I got some honey here. But the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a cheesecloth and I'm going to strain the contents of this in a cheesecloth. Okay, so I'll be back. A cheesecloth, you can use a strainer if you want, but I find this, when I use this, it will, most of the liquid is going to be trapped in this cloth. So you try and hold the edges and take your hand and squeeze. Look at that juice. Natural sugarcane juice. Just a little bit of water was added to it. And this is how it looks. Right? Look at that. Pour some more. Make sure you get the edges. And you make a nice glass of sugarcane juice. I think that is the way to go for 2021 because you want to be eating and drinking healthy. Now you give it a little stir and you give it a taste check. Tasting good, real good. But I want to put a little honey in it for added sweetness. Just a little bit, any amount you want. That's it. You give it a stir. And voila. Sugarcane juice coming from Andrea Twinnie's kitchen. For folks who are now tuning into my channel, welcome aboard to the Girl Andrea Twinnie Show, where loads of delicious drinks come your way on a regular basis. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my video with family and friends. You can't play mass and pearl powder in my kitchen. And to top it off, you have a little star anise. You drop that inside here for additional flavor. You understand? So, this is how my sugarcane juice came out. You give it a little wipe. Let's pop some ice in here. Because we want to serve it chill and nice. Look at that popping. Look at that popping. And you stick a little 2 straws inside there if you want 1 straw. And you take a sip. Oh my goodness. This is so awesome. Try this recipe, guys. And tell me if you like this recipe. Leave a comment in the comment box below. Like, comment, share. And please subscribe to my beautiful channel. This is the Girl Andrea saying, see you again with another great video. Bye.